welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to make a delicious Valentine's Day treat for you and your significant other, or for you and yourself while you Netflix and chill. Hey, cheers to you, boo. Okay, so before I get started, I did want to say, if you haven't yet, make sure you buy my e-cookbook, Secret Recipes from a Vegan Baker and Midnight Munchies and More exclusive. These are all of the secret recipes from my vegan bakery that I had, and it's like 46 recipes, extra tips and tricks, 71 pages, super cheap. You don't want to miss out. That will be linked below on my Etsy. So these puffs, you guys, they're so delicious. They got a little bit of spice. You don't have to do spice. Like, girl, don't freak out if you're like, I don't do spice. You don't have to do the spice. You can mix the spice, but they're still going to be delectable and delicious and crunchy and creamy and vegan and yum. And let's just get into this bitch, shall we? I have about a tablespoon and a half of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, and to that I'm going to add 2 small potatoes chopped up real small. I mean, let me show you, like, based on my hand size. Like, where's my camera? It's small because we're sauteing them, like, so we don't want them to take forever. That's about 2 cups worth of potatoes. And then we're also going to add 1 purple onion, or red if you fucking fancy, that we also diced up as well. And then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder, some pepper. I mean, I don't do measurements. Y'all know me. Still the same old G. Like, I just guess. But if you wanted, like, accurate, I'd probably say a half a teaspoon of each, a little bit of salt. Hold on, girl. I need a little bit more. And we're just going to saute this on medium for, like, I don't know, until we start getting a little softer, and then we'll start adding more things to our bonanza. It's been about 15 minutes since we put this on there and kept stirring it around. So as you can see, it's kind of dwindled down a little bit. The potatoes are much more soft. So now I'm going to add 3 cups of riced cauliflower. Now this was about one half of one cauliflower. But I wanted to tell you in case you just buy it pre-riced if you're like lazy. But I gotta tell you, it's way cheaper if you just rice that shit yourself. So this is gonna go on here for about another 5 minutes, and we're gonna continue to stir this around, and then we'll finish it off. And to try and be a little bit healthier, we're going to add about 2 handfuls worth of baby spinach. So we're going to put that in there, and we're just going to mix this around until all of that spinach is wilted, and we should be ready to go. Before we start cutting and filling our little puff pastry bonanzas for our puffs, we have to make our bang bang sauce. Because how you gonna bang bang if you don't make a bang bang? You feel me? You feel me? All right. So if you've been with me for a while, you know that I have a bang bang cauliflower wing recipe. So this is gonna be very similar. We're using the same ingredients. I'm just actually going to increase the amount of Thai sweet chili sauce I use. So I have half of a cup of vegan mayonnaise, and then I'm gonna add about half of a cup of the Thai sweet chili sauce. It is important to get the Thai sweet chili sauce and not just regular ass chili sauce. And then I'm also going to add even more sriracha, because I don't know if you all know this. I mean, you don't have to add sriracha at all if you're like, oh, I don't like hot foods, oh my god. But spicy foods help increase your blood flow, and you know you need that increased blood flow for your erection and your clitoris so that you can bang bang on the bang bang. You feel me? You feel me? And of course, we're gonna take our bang bang sauce, and we're going to mix it right into this delicious vegetable goodness we got going on. And that is what's going to give us most of the flavor. So we seasoned along the way, because you should always season along the way when you're cooking anything. But this is what's really going to give it that special flavor and that special kick. Because it's Valentine's Day, of course I wanted to use this cute little heart pan that I got from Valerie. So shout out to Valerie, you rock, girl. Actually, I just realized my hearts are upside down for you guys. And what I tried to do in the beginning was I took this heart cookie cutter and I put that in, which actually worked really well to maintain that heart shape. But it's not very big, so, like, you know, if you have one, do it. If you don't, who cares? So I took a little bit of a square, like right here, and I kind of pushed it in there. Now, if you have some long nails, kind of like I do, you can take, like, the end of a butter knife or something and really just kind of push it down in there like so. But Charisse, I don't have a cute little heart pan. What do I do? Girl, just use a mini muffin pan. Again, you cut your puff pastry, which is just store-bought. Like, you guys, most store-bought puff pastry is accidentally vegan. Just make sure to check your ingredients on the back, and you just pop it in there like that. Now, if you don't even have a cupcake muffin pan, or you're just lazy as fuck, you can also just use a 13 by 9 and just put the puff pastry in the bottom. and cook it that way. Or if you're like, but girl, I don't want the extra puff pastry calories, which I'm like, everything's better in a puff pastry. You can just serve your innards in a bowl like as is as your entree. We have our oven preheated to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes until our puff pastry is nice and golden brown and fluffy and crunchy and delicious, and oh my God. You guys, look at our little puffs. So I went ahead and put a little extra heart of sriracha on top because you need a little extra spicy to spice up your night. You feel me? You need a little extra heat in the bedroom. You know what I'm saying? Get that blood flow going. So let's take a bite. Which one did I do? Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay. You hear that crunch, girl? Oh, that. Oh my, oh God. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Look, anything in a puff pastry is delicious. Like, okay. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna finish it off. Like, they're little guys. Okay. So, blah, 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 blah. I'm just kidding. I'm talking with my mouth full. So, the forward recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. And if you have a little heart-shaped pan like I do, and you bought my ecookbook, you can totally make one of the muffin or cupcake recipes in that. That would be super cute for dessert as well. So definitely check that out. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And seriously, like, thank you guys so much. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers before my year mark on YouTube, which is, surprising enough, Valentine's Day. So if you haven't already, make sure you share my page with all of your friends and family. You don't have to be vegan to love my food. Almost every single one of my recipes has been omnivore approved by either friends or family. So you ain't gotta be vegan. Like, you just do you. That's how you spread the word of veganism. You don't be a dick. You just share delicious food with the omnivores and they go, oh, this is vegan? Oh my God, that's so good. And I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.